vitamin A is not just for your peepers, it also supports immune function and cell growth, both of which are crucial when your body is healing micro tears in your muscles after an intense lift. Think of vitamin A like a construction manager during your recovery phase. When you are sore after a heavy deadlift day, your muscles are literally repairing themselves. Medium carrot has about 5 to 6 grams of carbs, and most of that comes from a natural sugar and fiber. Here's the thing, these natural sugars are low glycemic, so they don't spike your insulin. In fact, eating a few carrots pre workout can give you a slow burning. Just 1 to 2% can tank your performance in the gym. Carrots are made up of nearly 88% of water, so adding them to your meals or snacks recovery. Your post-workout meal might include lean protein, some rice or sweet potatoes. Now, add a side of roasted carrots or a shredded carrot salad with olive oil. Boom! You have just added a dose so much easier. Think of carrots like the unsung hero of your diet. They are not flashy like avocado or trendy like kale, but they quietly support your performance, recovery, and health in ways that really add up over time. So, there you have it. The carrot might be simple, but it is not basic. Whether you are chasing a personal record at the gym, trying to lean out, or just looking for smarter ways to snack, carrots have your back. Next time you see them in your fridge, don't overlook them. Grab one, crunch down, and know you are feeding your gains in more ways than one. Now, before we wrap up, here's a little teaser for our next episode. We are going green. Well, we will be exploring spinach. Yeah, Popeye's favorite, and breaking down whether it is actually the muscle building leaf it is hyped up to be or just another salad filler. Trust me, you will not want to miss it. If you found today's video helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and share it with a workout buddy who thinks clean eating has to be boring. And as always, keep feeling smart, training hard, and living strong. Catch you in the next one.